How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can bend text in Krita. So basically, first things first, you want to import or just put your text inside your project, which will then look something like this. From there, you then want to select the text layer. So it's going to be most likely the vector layer 1. Right click on it, click on the flatten image. And now we then have to select the filter options. Start the GMICQT, and then you simply want to look for the deformations option. So in here, and then I want to bend my text in a sphere motion. So I'm going to select sphere right here, and it's going to look something like this. Now take note, if you only want to bend your text, just click on the filter right away, or you can just click on the flatten layer so it will flatten this singular layer right here. Filter, start GMIC, and then of course now we can adjust the filter the way we want to. So if you want to do it this way, you can apply it accordingly. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.